Okay, we want to look at the new KCSE grading system, which is going to be used in KCSE 2024. You are aware that the marking of the KCSE is already over, so what is left is the official release of the results. So this is what all candidates, teachers, and parents should expect. In the new grading system, we have two compulsory subjects. One of them is mathematics. Mathematics is compulsory. It must be used to calculate your grade. Number two is a language, and we have three languages which are done in the Kenya 844 curriculum. One of them is English, the other one is Kiswahili, and Kenya Sign Language. So in the grading system, one of the best performed languages will be picked, and then the next subject that will be used are 5 other best performed subjects. So these other 5 subjects could come from any category, maybe from humanities, from technicals and applied sciences, from also they can also be one of the, that is the language which was not picked, can also be used if it was not calculated as the compulsory. So we have a mathematics, one language, plus 5 other best performed subjects. So this is going to form the 7 subjects, which are going to be used in calculating your grade. So we'll have 7 subjects. In the calculation of the grades, if one gets a A, then it is going to give them 12 points. 12 is the maximum points. If one gets a A minus, it's going to give them 11 points. So this is the second best high score, A minus, and then a B plus gives you 10 points. As you can see, B gives you 9 points. B minus gives you 8 points, and then a C plus gives you 7 points. A C cone or a C plane gives you 6 points. A C minus gives you 5 points, and D plus gives you 4 points. A D gives you 3 points. A D minus is equivalent to 2 points, and then a E gives you only 1 point. So the next thing that we are going to look at is the overall grading system. The overall grading system is, as we've said before, 7 subjects are going to be used in calculating your overall grade. So that is a mathematics, 1 best performed language, plus 5 other best performed subjects. So that forms 7 subjects. Out of the 7 subjects, the 7 subjects will either earn you from 1 to 12 points. That is from a E to A, which is 12 points. So if you get the maximum points, then it is going to be 7 times 12, which is 84. So a person who gets maximum points will score 84, which is a plane. So A planes in the overall grading system, A plane starts from 81 to 84. That is A. Probably this is a good grade which can take you to the best courses available in our universities and abroad. And then someone who scores between 74 to 80 will get A minus. Someone who scores between 67 and 73 will score a B plus, which is also a very good grade. A 60 to 66, that will give you a B. 53 to 59 is going to give you a B minus, and then 46 to 52 will give you a C plus, and this is where we have the ceiling for the university entry points. This is where the university entry points end. According to the Kenyan law, a student is only allowed to do a degree course with a C plus and above. So this is what many KCSE students will be hoping to get, a C plus and above. Of course, we'll have those who score A minus, and B plus, and B minus, or a C plus. However, we have this also other very good grades which can take you to a very good diploma course, to activate, even to KMTC, to do some good medical courses, or to pursue some technical skills. If you get between that 9 to 45 points, that is going to give you a C. Between that 2 to that 8 points, that gives you a C minus, and then between 25 to that 1, that gives you a D plus. These are some of the degrees which can allow you to pursue some of the grades which can allow you to pursue a good diploma course in our various colleges. And then between 18 to 24, that gives you a D. And then someone who scores between 11 to 17 will get a D minus. 7 points is the minimum, because anyone who scores OEs will get 1 point in every subject, which will be 7, because it is the 7 subject which will be used to calculate your overall grade. So between 7 and 10, that will give you a E. So that is the overall grading system. However, you should note that grades for different subjects are calculated in a different way. For example, someone with maybe, for example, if it's CRE, the IA might start at 90%. If it's physics, IA might start at 65% or such. So in our next video, we are going to look at that. So keep subscribe and wait for our next video. Thank you.